On a sleepy Saturday, a small cart rolled into the town square, offering free diagnostics for broken gadgets, from radios to kettles. Locals brought old lamps and neglected bicycles, and volunteers turned repair into a social ritual, teaching simple fixes while sharing stories over coffee. The event grew into a weekly meeting, spawning tiny revenue from spare parts, tool rentals, and a swap table encouraging reuse. As word spread, the town library partnered to archive repair notes, turning casual tinkering into a curriculum that empowered students and seniors. What started as a free diagnostics stall revealed a sustainable model: community, learning, and offline earning, layered like gears inside a machine.